Hi everybody, it's me, Wheezer, and today I thought it'd be fun to play a game. So, I'm gonna be taking over this video while Christian's away, I guess. Anyway, let's get into it. I don't really like scary games, but we're gonna give this one a shot. I don't know. Oh my god! A dead man? That's not very nice. Oh, James, age 32. Wow, not a lot to go off here. This is why you don't drink poison. Can I go through the door? Okay. Oh, wow. So, I guess they found the meaning of the meaning of life. I don't feel like reading it because to me llamas are the only true meaning in life, and capybaras and little koalas. Can't go through that door. Meaning of some potion, a bunch of boxes. Okay, I guess I got a battery. Okay, I guess I keep going this way. A washing machine. It has a brain. Oh, a brain. I got another battery. Maybe next time I should play a game with more llamas or Jimmy's mom. I miss Judy. Okay. Is this my house or my apartment? Am I out of school again? That's the drawer. I can't go back. I can't go back to school. I think it needs a key card. I think it needs a key card.
Jesus Christ.
Anyways, guys, sometimes I get voice crack. Sometimes I get voice cracks, and it's fine. It's fine. It's really me though. It's really Wheezer. I'm definitely supposed to be here playing this game. I can't move anymore. Oh, there we go. Okay. Nothing can open for me. I guess I could just run head first into a wall. It's okay.
Jeez, this is putting a lot on my voice. I don't know if I can do it the rest of the video. That'd be a good video idea, but I'm not too sure now.
How do I open my inventory? I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said. Can I go up this way? No. Okay. What do I do? Looks like a phone. This reminds me of the time where I went camping with Jimmy's dad and Jimmy. We all almost died. There was a bear, and he had to make fun.
I'm sorry. I am sorry. So, as it turns out, Wheezer will not be joining us today. Not anymore. No. We're not doing it anymore. The bid's over. I can't do the voice. I don't know his personality well enough, so, enough with Wheezer. Let me actually be able to play this game. I can't do it. I can't do it as Carl. I thought it'd be funny, but it... My name's James. Partner Helena. She died. I don't have any kids. Cause of abduction. Suicidal thoughts. Hall. Recovery time 90 days. But she died. So what kind of recovery is that? Can I drink a drop of poison? Oh, I could go. Oh, wait. No, maybe there's more. No. Any this way? No. Oh, that was killer on my voice. Yesterday, Peter decided the true meaning of life after researching meaning of published book, meaning of life, particularly started yada yada, human extinction, anti-human behavior, like, you know, rocks, they don't behave like humans. Anyways, the meaning term, refused to give any information on the topic, order yours now at meaning, wow. Dr. Peter made history. Dude, how do you even have enough evidence? Did he, like, talk to God or something? I don't know. I don't want to read them all.
Maybe, hang on. Yeah, maybe we should, oh, fuck. I mean, that's a bad word. Maybe I'll go over to Jimmy's house later and, say hi to his mom. I'm not entirely sure what to do. None of these clocks have hands on them. Alright, we're gonna go down. And then here. Oh, shit, the fence! Ah! Honestly, what am I doing now? Help! I guess I just ran past the police. Oh, well.
This was a short video today. Say bye, Carl Wheezer.
Bye. See you next time. Bye.